Okay, now coming to the next topic, that is very important topic in the C programming language. So not only in the C programming language, you take any programming language. So this is very important topic. So what is the topic name? Types of operators in C programming language. Now coming to the we'll see the types of operators. So one is arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, increment and decrement operators, bitwise operators, conditional or ternary operator. Okay, finally special operator. Okay, so in this all these types, okay, in this all these types, so this is only difficult. Okay, this is only difficult. Okay, for this now I will take practical on this also, but okay, I'll share my video below the link that you listen. So basically I have explained for this topic using Python programming language. So uh, even though it is for Python programming language, the concept is same. Okay, I have solved on the pen and on the paper. Okay na, so each and every type of bitwise operator. Okay na, so I'll share that in the below of the video link. You will see, you will listen that video. Okay, for these bitwise operators. So remaining all topics are very simple. Okay, so in the exam they will ask, so explain the right types of operators in C programming language. You have to list all those things. You write what I'm saying in the video. So on your own in technical language along with the so program you have to take. Okay. Now coming to the, so these are the types of operators. Now what I'm taking as a comment. So this I'm taking as a comment. Okay. So comment I'm taking. So first of all, I am taking the first type of operators, that is arithmetic operators. Okay. So when you take a comment, what will happen? So this will be deactivated. Now coming to the first type of operators, that is arithmetic operators. Now coming, this is a program. Okay, in a single file, I have taken all the types of operators. Okay. Now see here. Okay, this is the program. Now see here, coming to the arithmetic operators. So one is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and then modulus operation. So this is everything in this, all the are very easy. Okay, you may have some doubt what is the meaning of modulus operator. Okay, I will tell, very simple. Okay, I'm writing here modulus. Modulus means operator. Okay, what you do, very simple. If I take 5 mod, okay, I'm writing here, sorry, it is 5 mod 2. Okay, so I'm taking a comment better to avoid some confusion. So 5 mod 2, so what is the meaning? It is 5 mod 2 is when you divide 5 with 2. Okay, so what is the remainder? 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4, 1 is the remainder, that is the answer. Okay, very simple. So remainder is the answer, that is called modulus operation. Okay, actually you have to write like this. Okay, 5 modulus 2. Okay, then what is the answer? 2 2 is 4, 5 minus 4, 1. Okay, that's, for example, if you take if I take okay, if I take 7 modulus 2, what will be the remainder? 2 3 is 6, 7 minus 6, 1 is the remainder. So now here in this example, can you tell what will be the answer? So a equal to 10. Okay, a equal to 10 modulus 5. So what is the remainder? 5 to 10, 10 minus 10, 0 is the remainder, so 0 is the answer. Okay, so that is what answer. Okay, so you take a comment. Okay, remaining you know. So what is a divided by b? What I'm getting here, I'm getting coefficient as the answer. What is the coefficient? 5 twos. Okay, 2 is the answer. Okay, so when you take a by b, it is when you divide a with b, what is the answer? Coefficient. Okay, 5 to 10, so 2 is the coefficient, 2 will be the answer. When you take a modulus b, it means what is the answer? Remainder is the answer. Okay, you know a into b, you know a minus b, you know a plus b. Okay, now run the program. Okay, so for this I am taking comments. Now what you update a program, you take clrscr. So and then here I am taking void main for my convenient purpose. So void, so here you remove this, sorry, you make a comment. So I'm taking get ch. Okay, so this is what. Okay, now run the program. Alt F, save a program. Alt F, compile a program. Now tell me what is the program I am executing. I am executing about the arithmetic operators in the C programming language. Okay, now run the code. So these are the outputs. Addition equal to 15, and then subtraction equal to 5, multiplication equal to 50, division equal to 2, modulus equal to 0. Okay, that is what answer. Okay, 1 second, I'll show the answer. Okay, this is what answer. Okay, okay, these are the outputs for the arithmetic operators output. Okay, now take a next example. Now coming to the next example. So what is second type of operators? That is relational operators. Okay, so first one is over. Now coming to the second type is the relational operators. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm taking comment for this. Okay, what I'm taking, so I will remove the comment here. Okay, now I will place the comment at the end of the program. Okay, so here I will place, okay, star, sorry, star, and then now here I remove the comment. This is the program. Okay, this is the program. 1 second. Okay, now coming to this is my program now. Okay, so what is the type of operators? This is the relational. 1 second, sorry. So relational operators. Okay, relational operators. 1 second. Okay, now what is the meaning of relational operators? Simply I am taking a equal to 10. First of all, you know, this is a C programming language. This is what, this is the header file section that you know. Next one, what main is a mandate. This is the opening of a C programming language. Okay, this is the closing of a C programming language. Okay, now so this is called relational operators. Okay, now you see here, what is a equal to b? It means I'm comparing 10 and 20 same or not. They're different. Okay, yes, they're different. Then what will be the answer? The answer is the false. Okay, why? Because they are different. But what you are telling, are for example, if I take b equal to 10, then what will be the answer here? If I take a equal to 10, b equal to 10, then what will be the answer? Answer is the true. Okay, answer is the true now. Okay, like that. That is what simply you are comparing. So this is called comparisons. Okay, the one more name is the relational operators is same as the comparison operators. Okay, so I am comparing whether these two are same. See, by observation I am taking two equal to I am taking here. Okay, now second one, what? A is not equal to b. Yes, a is not 10 is not equal to 20. Yes, it is true. Okay, next one, a greater than b. Now if you want, write separately. 10 is greater than 20. Condition true or false? Condition false. Okay, 10 is smaller. Okay, next one, what? 10 less than 20. Condition true or false? Is condition is true. Okay, next one, what? Okay, 10 greater than equal to 20. Condition true or false? Condition false. Next one, what? 10 less than or equal to 20. Condition true or false? Yes, condition is true. Okay, now tell me what will be the output. So coming to the, this is the program. Okay, this is the program for what? Relational operators. Okay, in this what will be the output? Either true. Okay, true means what? It is 1. Either 0 means it is a false. That only I will get output, 1 or 0. Okay, 1 means it is a true, 0 is a false. That is what outputs I am getting here. Okay, simply make a comment here. So okay, even if you make a comment, even there will be, if it is present, no problem. Why? Because they are deactivated. Okay, now here also take a comment. Here also take a comment. Okay, now run the program. Okay, what you do, simply update a program for your convenient. So void main, so and then use clr scr. Okay, to clear the previous output, and then sorry what is a less than, okay, you take double quotes there. It is right, yes it is right. Okay, now you here you take get ch, you take here, okay, you take get ch, okay. Now run the code. Okay, so here what will be the output? Output is the 0. 0 means it is false. So what will be the output here? It is 1. 1 means it is a true. What will be the output here? It is mean 10 is, it is 0. Okay, what will be the output here? It is 1. 1 is the true. Okay, here 0 is the output. Here what is the output? Output is the, it is 1. So I have to get 0 1 0 1 0 1. That is my output. Okay, run the code. Alt F, save the program. Alt F, compile the program. Alt F, run the program. Okay, so 0 1 0 1 0 1, that is output. Okay, so this is the output which I got. Okay, that is what. Okay, see, coming to the relational operators, I'm getting only either 0 or 1 as a output. 0 means false, 1 means true. That is all about the second type of operator, that is relational operators. Now these two are over. Okay, now coming to the logical operators. Okay, logical operators, what you do, you remove this comment here, you place that below here. Okay, why? Because two are over. So star and then like this you remove the comment. Third one is what? It is the logical operators. Okay, so logical. Okay, now very simple. Logical means very simple. Okay, you refer to the I will share the link below this video. In the bitwise operator, I have shared the truth tables for the and or. Okay, and or. Okay, that you have to know. First of all, now you tell what is the a less than b. Okay, a less than b, 5 less than, I'm writing here 5 less than, b equal to how much? 10. Condition true or false? Yes, condition is true. Okay, you have to use the two ampersand symbols. Then what you have to name? That you have to name it as the logical and. Okay, logical and. Then what is b? B is the 10. Okay, greater than 0. Now tell me what is the this condition, true or false? Condition is true. Condition is true. Yes, here also condition true. Now what am I'm writing here? So true. Okay, and. Okay, so true and true, what is the answer? Answer is the 1. You know about the truth table. 1 and 1 1, 1 and 0 0, 0 and 1 0, 0 and 0 0. Okay, so if you want to know more clearly, I will share the link below this video. Okay, then you come to know about the truth tables also. Okay, so that this will be the answer. Okay, same. So here I'm getting what is the answer. I'm getting the 0 1 1 0, like this I'm getting here. So coming to the logical operators also, I'm getting 1 and 0 as the answer. Okay, that you have to make a note. Okay, so make a comment here. How many we are having? So one is the, see, this is called logical and. This is called logical or. Okay, this is called what? Not. For example, not of 0. Okay, I'm writing here. So not of, okay, not of 0. What will be the answer? Answer equal to opposite to the 0. It is 1. Okay, if I take not of 1, then what will be the answer? It is the 0 will be the answer. Okay, now what is the logical or? You know. Okay, same for example. Okay, assume here. Okay, assume here. So 1. Okay, or 0. Tell me what is 1 or 0? Coming to the truth table of the R, 1 or 0 is 1 is the answer. Okay, that is what. So that is all about the logical operators. Okay, now comment. So here also you make as a comment. So if you want to remove to make a program clear, very clear, remove this also. If you want to make it clear about program, so this also you remove this to make clear, to avoid confusion. Okay, so this also like this, this also like this. Okay, Now this is called logical operators. How many we are having? One is logical and, so you have to use two ampersand symbols. Next one what? Logical or. Next one what? Logical not. Okay, tell me what will be the output here. Output is, we have seen it is, I think, 1. Okay, 1 is the answer. So what will be the answer here? Here also 1 is the answer. Okay, so what is not of a less than b? 5 less than 10. Condition true. Condition true means not of 1 equal to 0 will be the answer. Okay, so as my observation, 110 will be the answer. Okay, so what you do? Add CLR, SCR. Okay, and then void main get ch. Okay, okay, alt F, save the program. Alt F, compile the program. Oh, it is error. Second, declaration syntax error. 1 second. So I have missed a hash there. Hash include. Alt F, save. Alt F, compile the program. Alt F, run the program. Okay, 110 is the answer. Okay, that's what. Okay, that is all about the logical operators. So how many we have completed? So arithmetic operators, relational operators. Okay, third one is the logical operators. Now coming to the assignment operators, very simple. Okay, assignment operations. What you take? You remove this comment. See, I have taken all programs in a single file. Now you add a comment here, star and then slash like this. You remove this comment to make it active. What you do? Here you add a comment. Okay, so forward slash and then star. Okay, now this is called assignment operations. Okay, so very simple it is. So if you want to make a difference, if you want to make a difference for seeing this output, you take a new variable. Okay, now what is the assignment operators? Okay, so one is what? A equal to c. A plus c equal to 5 means it is same as the a equal to a plus 5. That is what. Okay, so this is called shorthand operator. Okay, make a note. So what you have to call? You have to call it as the shorthand operator. So this is same as the a equal to a plus 5. Okay, what is the topic name? Topic name is the assignment operators. Okay, the fourth one. Okay, this is the assignment operators. Okay, now come down, come to the program. Okay, now see here, very simple and nothing complexity here. So then what is the value? A equal to a minus 3. Okay, a equal to a into 2. Okay, I'm writing separately, which is equal to a equal to a into 2. Same. Now what is the meaning here? A equal to a by 2. Okay, so what is the here? Modulus operation, very well. Okay, so that is all about the assignment operation. Simply very simple. Okay, so I am assigning value 10 to the a. That is called assignment. Assignment, that is what? Assignment operation. Simply what we are doing, I am making the addition a equal to a plus 5, a equal to a minus 3. Okay, so this is actually our main concept. Equal to, what is the meaning of equal to? Equal to means what? So equal to means nothing but it is the assignment operation. Okay, okay, now run the program. Okay, what will be the output? So what you do? You take void main. So you take CLR SCR. So and then you take get ch for my convenient purpose. Okay, alt F, save the program. Alt F, compile the program. 3 errors are there. Okay, you take a comment here. Here also you take a comment. Here also you take a comment. So alt F, save the program. Alt F, compile the program. Alt F, run the program. Okay, so this is what starting what I'm having. I'm having a equal to 10. A equal to a plus 5 means 10 plus 5 15. A minus 3, it is what? 15 minus 3 12, like that you have to perform the assignment operation. Okay, so remaining I'll take in the next video. Okay, remaining what? So remaining these operators I will take in the next video. Okay.